Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create membership in GoHighLevel. Alright, let's begin. First, open any type of preferred browser on your personal computer and search for GoHighLevel. Once you find it, click on the official website to open it. After that, sign into your account using your credentials. Once you are signed in, look for the memberships feature in the left side menu. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your memberships. Next, click on the courses feature at the top of the page and then select products. Here, you will see the option to create a new product. Click on the Create Product button located at the top right corner of the screen and select Start from Scratch. You will then be redirected to a new web page. On this new page, click on the Start Building button in the Membership section and then click on Create Product. This will bring up the membership creation page on your screen. If you want to organize your memberships further, you can create a new category. To do this, simply click on the add icon and enter a title for your new category. Once you have added the category, make sure to save it so that your changes are not lost. Now, you can organize the memberships to your liking. Once everything is set up the way you want, make sure to publish the categories. Finally, click on the preview button to view the membership page and see how it looks. So that's basically how you can create membership in GoHighLevel. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.